And guys, welcome back. And today we're gonna talk about trading bots, right? In Bybit, there's a lot of trading bots, and let's explore how to use them, right? If you want to know how to use a trading bot, all you have to do is go to the tool, trading bots, and then when you click it, it'll show up right here. All right, there's a lot of trading bots, right? There's a future grid, right? And then the spot grid, right? These are all this trading bot you can explore. We have the DCA, right, dollar cost average, where it keeps on buying, suitable for long-term players. So let's look at DCA, right, since it's the easiest. And let's look at DCA, dollar cost average. So DCA is like this, right? We have the frequency, investment frequency, as every 10 minutes you want to invest one time, or every 1 hour you invest one time, or every 1 week you invest one time. So this is where it automatically invests, right, a Bitcoin for you, right, a maximum amount that you want to invest. So every time, right, how much you want to invest. For example, right now I have 100 USDT, right now I have 100 USDT. Every 1 week I want to invest how much. So for example, I want to invest 10 USDT, right? I can invest up to 10 weeks, right? This is a DCA bot that it will automatically invest it for you, right? Of course, the DCA is called dollar cost averaging. It takes a long period of time and keep on investing to average down the cost, right? If you want the bot to automatically trade for you, right, this is how you can do it, right? Again, your funding account 100 USDT, right? For example, and you want to invest every 1 week. You want to invest how much, right? 10 USDT, right? And then you can invest for 10 times. So this is how you create a DCA bot, right? Very straightforward. Then we can have the spot grid, right? The spot grid. So spot grid is like, let's put manual so we can understand it better. So spot grid is like a grid where it buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, right? So how much you want to buy from the low price, and then how much you want to buy sell, right? The price that you want to sell. So this is the buy, and this is sell. So let's try the smart view. All right, then we can look at the trading view and see what it is. And then we have the intervals and then the grid. So let's say I have, okay, how much? So there's a minimum of 400, right now I don't really have 400, so I can't really open this. So with 17 grids, right, I can actually use my minimum funding account. So what it does is it creates 17 grids for it to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, right? So it automatically fill in this for you, this range. Let's see what is this range, right? Okay, this is the 71,275. Then we have let's see, 66,000, right? 66,000 is right here somewhere. So with this, I have 70 grids in between, right? I have 17, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way 17 grid. So it depends. You buy, sell around this range. All right, this is where the manual trading board where I set it up, right? So this is how it would trade. So if I were to, let's see, this maximum, right? You can set also entry price, stop loss, and take profit, right? Obviously, your stop loss has to be lower, and then your take profit has to be higher than that, and then your entry price, right? Do you want an entry price? You automatically enter at that price, and so on and so forth. So yeah, this is how you use a spot grid. It automatic trade for you, right? Buy low, sell high. Right, as simple as that. But the future grids is basically trades, perpetual trading. Right, you can do neutral, you can do long only, you can do short only, depends on you, right? So long basically is for a bull market, right? A bull market where you want to long and then enter at the price that you want, right? If you can see here, it's an ideal for trading for volatile bull markets. Automatically opens and close the long position, right? of course, everything is like this. You have grids as well, and then you have leverage and so on and so forth. Okay, but let's look at manual trading. So instead of only long or shorts, right now we look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going sideways, right? It's consolidating. So if it's in the consolidation, it's very, very good for us to use manual neutral. Like neutral is for us to long and short, right? So we press smart field again, right? 53 and 63, the smart field, right? Let's see. 53 is right here, 53 something and 63. So it will long short at this range for us with all these grids and how many grids you want, right? So with 7 grids, I can actually use my 100 USDT. All right. So let's try open now. All right. Let's see what will happen. Funding account will transfer 100 USDT. Total investment. It creates 7 grids arithmetic, and then the profit and the grids for each profit. Okay. So this is how you can use this group trading bots, where it will sell buy at that range, right? Basically it's automation. So this is how I already opened one, the future grids bots. So this is how, if you press details, we can see the details and position. Okay, this is a position where when is the buy and sell value, right? Buy and sell value. So it will buy and sell at this price, buy at this price, things like that. All right. So yeah, this is my future grids. So if you want to terminate it, you press here terminate, confirm. So successfully terminated, then the money will be refunded to your account. Right? Simple as that. So this is how you use trading bots. You automatically buy and sell for you. Depends on whether you want to use it for DCA, right? Again, let me show you guys. Right? You want to use DCA, but you want to average down the cost, or you want to use spot grade, right? Buy low, sell high automatically, okay? Or you want to use future grids where you can buy, sell, it's consolidating, or want to automatically buy for you, right? Right, this is how you do it. Okay, so this is pretty much Bybit's trading bots. And these two I'm not really sure how it functions, so maybe in the future after I investigate it, I'll share it to you guys. Alright, see you in the next video. Peace.